Gano'n lang as ASMR. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel! Quiet lang. Edit ka nung may mga comedic na ano.
Tapos pagka sumakit ka parang...
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel! Uy, nahihilo na ating viewers!
Hindi mo ata gusto kasama.
Guys, sabi niya kawawa daw siya kasi nasa likod siya. Ay, send help!
Uy, ang ganda naman. Grabe naman yung noo ko
Diba?
dyan.
1,000.
Si Borda. Anyway. Maputi ako dito.
NU yun, di ba?
Belo pala to.
Ano ba yan? Amazon Only din? sun touches my
Amazon
skin.
din. Hi guys! We're here! Pili ko, I think this is a vlog takeover. I think for day 1, ako yung magva-vlog. Day 1? Kakarating lang namin sa, saan to? Hastings Lake Lutheran Bible Camp. Wow, tanda. I think we're one of the first people to be here. So medyo nababoard na ako. No energy! Gusto ko na malaman ko sino yung mga kasama. So I can be like, hi guys!
Hindi pa din namin alam yung best namin.
Mamaya, we give you a tour later. Tour? Kala mo talaga. Pag tamad kayo maggalaw. Ayan, ganyan na lang po. Ayun pa si Pastora. Ayan si Nanay Jess nandun. Di ko alam kung saan. Ayun na, nag-ano na ako. Nag-tour na ako ng camp. Alo, si Kending naman. Paano mag-zoom? Tapos ganun. O, aesthetic. Oh.
Naka-zoom agad. Jump scare. Pwede mong
Hi guys, so right now, I'm doing a time slap. Not a time slap, just aesthetic. Okay na yan. Hi guys.
Sige, paano?
Maarte yung pagano.
Ito na naman tayo sa playground. Sa busy naka-playground. Saan? Naka-playground. Ay,
Shucks, ang ganda talaga guys. Pwede bang bigyan niyo ako ng ganito guys?
ayoko may
Paano? Wag niyo i-skip yung ads ni Gian ha. Para mabilhan niyo tayo ng ganito.
wait lang.
Ito ba ka dyan?
Ito ka na.
Ay, dapat dito ka sa likod. Kunyari,
Hindi,
mataas.
dito.
Kunyari, mataas. Sobrang mabala.
Wait.
1, 2, 3.
Naka-abs ka daw. Abs ta ko. Paano?
1, 2. Naniniwala ka bang vampires? Naniniwala ka bang clone na lang yun? Tapos yung totoong April ay patay na. Sabi nila.
Wait, panoorin natin sa Laika.
Ano yun, Gian?
Ito na yung papindot mo ng ay, may binili ko. Wala po. Ay,
Hi guys, it's our day 2. So right now, it's our breakfast. ASMR lang kasi sobrang ingay nila. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo ko.
pa oh.
Katabi ko si Gian. We're such introverts. I can't.
Over talaga.
Our introvertness? Introvertness? What? Introvert.
Introvertness.
In and out. Sadness. Ay, hindi. We're ano ngayon? Embarrassment.
Embarrassment.
Yeah. And also, Yun lang.
Embarrassing.
Also shy. Guys, yung ulam today is tapsilog. Oh my gosh! I'm so excited, but also at the same time, guys, I'm so shy. I can't. But today we're gonna have 2 sessions, 3. How many sessions do we have? I think 3. I wanna say 3.
Yeah, 3. One before breakfast. One after breakfast.
And then we
One
have
after
lunch, and then free time. And then after lunch, meron ulit. And then free time again, and then another at night. So there's 3 in total.
I think.
Ayun lang. Nasa dulo na kami ng pila nang hindi tumatayo. Work smarter.
Not harder.
True. Bye-bye.
No, no.
Southeast Asia? Oo.
Madali yan. Nakuha ko sa
East?
Yeah, no.
South?
Yes. Asia ba yun?
India?
No.
Pakistan?
Okay, tama.
Tan ba yung huli?
Hindi.
Yeah.
No.
Nepal? China? China? Malaki ba yung country?
Yes.
Russia? Mas malaki sa Philippines?
Oh, hindi.
Di mo nga sure.
Ano?
Saudi Arabia.
Sabi nila South tita. Middle East yun eh.
Guys,
Middle East yun. Ayun ang alam.
Hi guys. So it's our last day today. It's our last session. Hindi kami nakapag-vlog ba tayo yesterday? Yeah. I don't know. I don't remember.
Opo. Ay! Paano? Lalagay ko to sa vlog ka. Hindi dapat wala na.
Okay, jump shot. Okay, ready? 1, 2, jump shot, go! I like my mind. May kinakis-kis. Landi-landi nyo. Ato na. May naiinggit siya.
Sino?
Ba't ako? Video ba yan?
Go mga kaganda. So mag-vlog ako. Sige, go. Take over. Take over.
Hey, vlog!
Okay guys, so this is the last day of our YA Summit 2024. We are here with Jar. Alright guys, so now we're here at the last day of the 2024 Summit YA. We're here with Kyle. How was your experience so far?
It was great and it was a relief and amazing. Transforming.
Good. Praise the Lord. That is our... Oh, sige.
So like we're here, wala lang dito lang. Hi guys, hi vlog lang.
Ay, sorry, wait. Hi, River. Bye-bye.
Day to you! Hey! 1, 2, 3! May wagang salamin!
We're getting ready. And bye! Thank you so much!
Thank you so much. Ang taas ng gamit.
Ingat! Sino ba yun? Di ko din alam. Oh, you say hi. Where are you guys from?
Sorry, I'm sure.
Calgary Southwest. Period. Ikaw. Ikaw.
Calgary Southwest!
Ay, sakot pala sila lahat. Ay, sige, sige. Ay, ikaw din.
From Airdrie.
Ay, ikaw.
Southwest!
Kabila. Where are you from?
We're from Jerem High River!
O, ikaw. Saan ako? Sino ako? Sino ako? Both. Both? Both. I'm Marin Diwata from High River Falls! Miss Universe! Wait lang. Where are you from?
I'm from Jerem High River.
Ikaw. Where are you from? Jerem High River! Ikaw! Jerem High River! Ikaw!
Jerem Stratford!
JC. No, where are you from?
Edmonton North!
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Jasper!
Kasara! Where are you from? Kita pa sila dyan? Mamaya tumataas. Where are you from?
I'm from Timbuktu.
Ay! Kasara Mirna! Where are you from po?
From the beautiful city of Calgary.
Yan lang. Hingan ako, Bye. Yung jowa mo. Ay, River na yun. Okay, bye. See you later. Yung putos na ilok ko.
Ano yung sa inyo?
Wala. Lahat may kagat. This is aesthetic me. This is aesthetic.
May kagat. Ay, sa kanila po yung dalawa. Ito pong dalawa na to, babalik mo?
Hindi, ganito kasi yan. Bagay. Wala na kagat.
Ewan ko sa inyo. What's the ring?
Dapat kasi mag-doorbell na lang.
Ding dong. Lahat merong ano.
Thank you, Ate Margie.
Sabihin siguro na namakyaw na naman tong batang. Patingin na alay sa'yo. Sige na ka. Gusto mo nalikod natin